Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I'll show you how to add borders to your video in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this, I've already brought in a clip right here, and I want to add frames or a border around it. What you want to do is, on the top left corner, go to Effects, and then under Effects here we have the colored border. Just hold it and drag it right on top of the video. Then just let go. And as you can see, here is a white border. And on the right, under Inspector, you can see the Effects tab. Here you can just adjust it. For example, the soft edge, if you want to look at it like this. But I don't think you need that. Then the border width is actually very important for me. For example, I don't want the border to be that big, so I just bring it up like this, for example, and corner radius does this. And color, it's also very important. Here you can choose a color that you want, for example, like this. Or if you go down to this little sign, then just click it, and then you can just, for example, I want to make it, I don't know, like a bit of orange like this here. You can just click it, and then it gets the color of the clip. Okay, that was a little hack on how to add borders to your video in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.